Hey, so this is Ryan A. Hi guys. So this is going to be a very quick video. I'm just taking you to GoDaddy.com to show you how you get the license for your car, which is the domain name for your website. www.u.com. That's not what I'm going to buy. I need to buy something like for an actual project. So I can actually give you that live thing. So let's make me small. Put me over here. So I am building a website for sanjuandelsul.co. I search for that domain. I will do the other searches just to show you what happens. So you see here, I could just add to cart. It is available. Yes, your domain is available. Buy it before someone else does. Right? So they would show you below what else is available. All the other extensions .net, .biz, .com I wanted, so let me show you. .com I wanted, but I could not. So sorry, this is taken. Still wanted. Here's what to do. They're going to take you to whois.se. I will put a link below. That can now give you information as to who actually owns the website and if you really want it and you could pay the money for it, which I do not recommend if you're just starting. Change the name. As I said, ideally for this project, I don't need a .com, but ideally you do want a .com. So if you can't get that, change your name, get a .com, and then buy that thing, right? The GoDaddy is going to try to upsell you on everything on earth. So let's go through that process, add this bad boy to the cart. Of course, they already tried to sell me the .us here for $2, which I am not interested in at the moment. So let's continue to the cart. This video should be short and sweet. And basically, I just have to pay for this bad boy now, right? They're gonna ask you if you want privacy protection. That's a dream. You don't need that stuff. An email address, yeah, mark at a professional and build trust. You could get that after. You don't need that now. Um, and I think that is actually free, but whatever. Don't get caught up in that. Sorry. Continue with these options, and then yeah, I basically pay. Right? This is my brother's account, by the way, which is like why you're seeing Mark. And I want this bad boy for a year. Do not try to kill me. Yeah, for $11.99. And you have your license to your car. I hope this was helpful. This is Ryan A. Let me make myself big again. Here I am. Yes, I hope this was helpful. Love you guys. I will give you more information very soon. The next step will should be the platform and then the hosting and then actually building the website. So I'm going to take you through the entire process. I have to do this today. So you're going to get these videos right away. Well, I'm lying. It's going to be done, but I will post it maybe tomorrow or day after. So you can get the process for the people who are interested in building websites because you can apply that to My Last 20. Do you know what that is? My Last 20. Check out the channel. There's a link up there. It's all about My Last 20. If you had $20, a laptop, and the clothes on your back, how can you survive? Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Subscribe.